Hi everyone, my name is Alex Carmona and I am the inventor of the old school Alex Spinback. My friends over at Speedball have helped develop this into an actual product that you can have in your studio, and I'm here to show you everything you need to know to get started.
Place your wood block on the center of the turntable, and if you're using linoleum, simply adhere it to a block of wood and follow these same steps. Now grab your dowels and insert them along the top line of your wood block, staying as close to the corners as you can. Slide your bottom clamp up towards the wood block, making sure your wood block pushes against the wooden dowels. Now just tighten the bottom screw and tighten this top screw. Make sure not to tighten the top screw too much. Check for sturdiness, and you're ready to carve.
Okay, now for the features on this. The Spinback has non-slip pads on the very bottom of the unit. This means you can place it on any work surface and it will not move. It works great. Okay, second, we have this quick release knob on the side. What this does is it allows you to either freely rotate your piece in any direction or lock it once you have your desired carving direction so it can completely stop your block. So you can release, move it, lock it in place, and then carve. This alleviates your non-dominant hand from putting that constant pressure down and helping hold your wood block down. It's all doing it for you. This is gonna relieve all the stress from your non-dominant hand. And now you can use both hands to carve rather than using both of them to hold your wood block down. The Spinback is gonna change the way you carve in a good way. The last feature I wanna show you is this handy tray on the side. We all use 2 or 3 gouges mostly, so this will fit several gouges in here. So you have quick and easy access to the ones that you use the most. The old school Alex Spinback is adjustable to fit a wide variety of shapes and sizes. It'll help you focus on your art and at the same time, keeping your hands and arms healthy so you can keep doing what you love for a lot longer.